Dell Latitude 7330 laptop or processor 12th General Intel Core i7-1265U, 10 core, 12 MB cache, 12 threads, up to 4.80 GHz, V Pro Enterprise. Graphics card integrated Intel Iris Z graphics for i7-1265U V Pro processor with 16 GB DDR4 memory. Display laptop 13.3 inches FHD, 1920 by 1080. Ports 2 USB Type-C Thunderbolt 4.0 ports with power delivery and DisplayPort 1.41 USB 3.2 Gen 1 port with PowerShare 1 headset, headphone and microphone combo, port 1 HDMI 2.0 port. Communication. Optional LTE. The Intel AX211 comes standard for Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity. The bottom panel is easily removable with just a Phillips screwdriver. There isn't much to service beyond the M.2 SSD and battery since the WLAN and RAM modules are soldered. Note that there are no antenna included. Only a single M.22280 PCIe 4x4 slot with no internal secondary options. Cooling solution consists of a approximately 50 mm fan and one short heat pipe.